There's the old one. There's the new one. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. I just got back from a run. Haven't had a shower yet, so excuse the attire here, but I thought I'd tackle a project on my car that I've been thinking about doing for a little bit. I've got this problem with my windshield where it fogs up and then it won't unfog unless the fan or the defrost is on full blast or relatively high. And looking through the forums and advice, it was recommended that I change my cabin air filter. And of course, I haven't been to the dealership for servicing in a while, where I would normally just rely on them doing it. So I thought I'd do it myself, walk you guys through it, and hopefully it works. So here we go. So you can see the fogging inside the car right there. That's what is problematic. And you can see on the other side of the windshield, I hope, that it's actually relatively clear. So it's not a cleanliness thing, I don't think. I'm going to try cleaning the inside of the windshield as well, but we're going to do the filter. Okay, so looking underneath on the passenger side of the glove box, there's a panel right here that just, you can pull it out. It's got a couple of tabs, pressure tabs that keep it into place. And you just pull that down, and I will see if I can get that on video. A couple pressure tabs there, a couple here on so that will expose the cabin air filter, which is up there. I'm going to show you exactly where that is. On the passenger side of the car, there's the glove box. I'm going to zoom in to show you what we are looking for. I'm going to shine a light on it for you. That is what we are looking for. And it just has a tab on the bottom. You pop that out, just pull at the bottom, and it'll just come right off. This little tab at the top just slots in. But if you pull the one at the bottom, it'll come right out. And there you can see the filter that's currently in there. There's a tab. I don't think you can sort of see it. I'll point it out. I'm going to pull that tab and see what kind of crud is in there. So I finally got it out. The paper strip broke. There's the old one. There's the new one. I'm going to venture to guess this one's never been changed, because I bought this car about 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago, and I haven't changed it, and that looks pretty gross. So change your filter regularly. I'll put a link in the description below for this filter. It's not expensive. I think it was 20 bucks. Pretty easy to do. So gonna put this one in, make sure I got it the right way, and we'll be good to go. So just to illustrate this point a little bit, there's the filter and there's the cap that came off. So that's how wide the entrance is to the air filter slot. Now, when you install it, I'm not going to be able to show you this just because of, my body doesn't move that way, but this end's going to go in first, and you're going to squeeze it down so that this goes in, and then it pops up inside the cabin air filter compartment. So that's how you're going to install it. Slide it in essentially, and then put the cap on the side. When you're all done, just line things up and get all the snaps, and you're good to go. So that's how you change a cabin air filter on a 2015 Nissan Leaf SL. I can't speak to other years and trim levels because that's not what I have. I would assume they're in the same place, but don't quote me on it. Anyways, that's it for me for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video, or at the very least learned something. If you did, hit the like button for me and leave me a comment below. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks again for watching. Have yourself a great day.